Hi, boys and girls. One of the skills that we're going to be working on throughout this unit of the human body, studying the human body, is alphabetizing. Putting words in order, in alphabetical order, ABC order. You guys know that when we look in the glossary for words we don't know, that it's arranged alphabetically. Say that word with me, alphabetically. It's a big word, isn't it? It just means ABC order. So the first thing you're going to do when you're putting words in alphabetical order is you're going to start at A and look for words that start with an A. Then you're going to go to B, look for words that start with B. I see a word that starts with B, so I'm going to click and drag that word right up here. We're going to put the words in a nice, neat, orderly way so that we can tell they're in order. Next, we're going to go to C. I see one C word, so I'm going to put it right up there. Now I go to the word D. I don't see any D words. E, F. I see two F words. So I'm going to put these words like this. When we have words that start with the same letter, we have to go to the next letter. So they both start with F. So now we're going to go to their second letter. Both of their second letters are O, so that doesn't help us to know what comes next. So now we're going to go to the third letter. We just keep on going. We have an O and we have an X. Well, what comes first in the alphabet? O or X? O does. So I'm going to put foot next and then fox. Now I'm going to look for G words. I see glass and goose. Again, two words. They both start with G. So let's look at the second letter. We have an O and we have an L. Well, when I think of the alphabet, L comes before O. So I'm going to go glass and then goose. I keep going in the alphabet. H, I, J, K. Ooh, boys and girls, I missed a word, didn't I? Exercise. So let's go down here. I'm going to move this one over here. E comes before F, doesn't it? So exercise goes in there. That's a nice thing. You don't have to erase. You can just fit it right in there. So we're at L. So we have louse and laugh. L's are the same. A and O are the second letters. So laugh comes next, and then louse. M is next. Ooh, we have several words that start with M. So all three start with M. So we go to the second letter. We have an A, O. So that one's not next. These have the same A, so we go to the next one, N and T. So man would come next because N comes before T, and then match and mouse. Next is N. That's an easy one. There's only one, night. O, nothing. P, we have a P word, person. Q, R, S, T, and then our last one, woman. So boys and girls, you are going to do a flippity very similar to this using the plural forms of our spelling words that you already took the test on, but we can still practice with them doing this alphabetical order. You're going to submit a screenshot of your flippity with the plural forms of these words when you're finished.